First of all, access the MANUSpost developer page and log in. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking Create Account, or log in by using your Google account. Once logged in, go to the Help section, then click on CAM Guides and Downloads, Fusion 360, and Integration Setup. You will need to upgrade your account to a full account. Click on the notification, then click on Upgrade to Full Account, and enter your information. You can also find Upgrade to Full Account button from your profile. You can test everything without a full account, but to download CAM integration setups, and to purchase and download your CNC post processor, you need to have a full account. For demonstration purposes, I will now fill in my information. Please note that it is important to fill out all the information accurately and completely. After filling in all the fields, submit the form. Then, you will need to forward the email you receive, with all the documents attached. Please note that it is very important that all documents are included. After a few seconds, your account will be activated. Now, go back to the Help section, click on CAM Guides and Downloads, Fusion 360, and Integration Setup. Now you can download your setup file. Once the setup file is downloaded, open it and select a directory for installation. By default, the installation will be done to the Manus software folder. Then press Install button. Installation is now completed successfully. Let's check that. Here you can see the Fusion 360 integration files for MANUSpost. Next, in Fusion 360, open Utilities and select the Add-ins. And then select Add-ins tab. Click on the plus sign next to My Add-ins. And select the folder where the setup files were downloaded. After this selection, the Manus Fusion add-in should appear in this window. Select this add-in and press Run to start the MANUSpost integration. But before proceeding, make sure to select Run on Startup to ensure that the MANUSpost button appears on the toolbar every time you open Fusion 360. After this adjustment, MANUSpost button will appear under Actions. You can also pin this button to the toolbar by clicking the three dots next to MANUSpost. MANUSpost integration is ready now. Let's start post-processing. Select any operation on the operation tree. You can also make multiple operation selections. And if you want to generate the NC program for all the operations in this tree, select Setup 1. I will now select Face 1 and 2D Contour 1 operations. And next I will press the MANUSpost button. In the window that appears, first choose your CNC machine from the list of post processors available on your computer. This list will automatically show you all the post processors you have created and downloaded inside MANUSpost Developer. Let's select Haas UMC 5-axis post processor. Then select a name for your NC program. The default NC program name is 1001. Next, choose the folder where your NC program will be saved. If you have previously downloaded your Fusion 360 project to your computer, this path will automatically show you the location of your Fusion 360 file, and the NC program will be saved to this folder if you do not define any new path. In this example, the test folder on desktop has been automatically set as the NC program path, since I have already downloaded my Fusion 360 project to this folder. However, when working with Fusion 360 in the cloud, the last path you defined will be displayed here, instead of being updated. Therefore, it's important to specify a folder, while working in the cloud, to ensure that your NC program is saved to the intended location. Let's now click on the Post button. The NC program will be generated and automatically displayed on your screen. Now, let's check this NC program file in the folder. As you can see, both NC program file and the APT file were generated inside the desktop test folder. Lastly, here is the bonus part. With just a few clicks, you can start customizing your own post-processors using the world's most easy-to-use and powerful post-processor developer. This button will open MANUSpost Developer on the cloud. Once you log into your account, you can see all your post-processors designed in MANUSpost Developer. And open the one that you want to edit. And you can start editing your post-processor immediately. Note that you can also open the MANUSpost interface by selecting Open MANUSpost UI. This interface can be especially useful when post-processing for a multi-channel millturn machine, as it allows for more control over adding user-defined events and multi-channel synchronization codes.